Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make a round shape. From both the ends, you just have to make two small tiny circles, and then the hair is to be added over the head and the eyes are made. The rest of the body is also added. It looks so cute. For this one, we are directly making use of the highlighter or the marker, and then we are making this type of the cap of this boy from the front area with the help of the pencil or the marker. Add the features of this boy. If we talk about the difficulty level, the next one is little bit difficult. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 12. You just have to fill it with some of the colors. Here I'm using the marker or the sketch one. You can make use of another colors that you are comfortable with. Let's move further with another activity. First, we are going to make the hair area and the facial features of this girl. Two tiny ponies from both the ends are also to be made. Then we are going to work over the dress of this girl. It's the simple and good. It's also very less time consuming. Fill it with some nice colors so that it will look more attractive and more cute. Let's move further towards our another activity. You just have to make the lines similar to the A and lower to the A. Then you just have to make the face, and then you just have to make the rest of the body. This is very simple and very good. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 11 to 13. Add some of the hair. That's simply the two curvier lines, and the flowers are also made. This looks so nice and so good. Definitely give this one a try. Another activity. First, you just have to make a shape that's similar to the clouds, over which you just have to make the A type of the thing that's going to represent the hoodie, hair, and the facial features and the rest of the body of this girl. Then the hair is also added. Fill it with some of the bright colors. It's going to represent a Christmas theme. We will now move further towards our another activity. For this one, we are directly making use of the marker. We are tracing down the alphabet B, and then a curvier tail is to be given from the lower portion. Then we are going to add the features of this boy that's actually moving here and there in the rain. This is again very cool and very nice activity. Definitely give this one a try. It's very less time consuming activity and it's best suitable for the small kids. We will now move further towards our another activity. You just have to scramble this somewhat circular shapes that are in the opposite directions holding together, and after that we are going to make the braids. Then the rest of the features of this girl are also made. This activity is again very simple. It is best suitable for the small kids. We will now move further towards our another activity. For this one, we will require the scale as a stencil and make some of the circles out of it. Lower to which we are going to trace down the alphabet H, and after that we are going to join it where some of the lines. These are going to represent the bodies of these two humans that are just holding their hands one after the another, and then we are going to add the features of the other like the bun and the hair. Like here we are making some of the mustaches for this type of the man and this woman. This is very good and very easy. Buttons are also made. This looks so cute and nice. Let's move further with another type of the activity. Again, you just have to trace down the B alphabet, over which you have to add some of the features from the front portion using the black marker. This is again very simple and very good. Definitely give this one a try. Thank you for watching.